Hey guys, hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Welcome. If you're new on my channel, my name is Vanessa Shaje. In today's video, I'm gonna make an avocado conditioner. Lately I've been using avocado oil and my hair tends to like it very much. It absorbs the oil very easily and it makes my hair very soft. So that's why I wanted to try this avocado conditioner. So, and also because I have a lot of new growth. The last time I relaxed my hair was on September, I think on September the 2nd 2020, and today is January 9 2021. To make this conditioner I only need 3 products, and that is, the first one is the avocado itself, of course, the second one is the lemon juice, and the third one is eggs. But I'm gonna use this egg, and I'm not gonna use the entire egg, I'm only gonna use the yellow one. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you how I prepared it, and then I'm gonna apply this on my hair, and of course I'm gonna show you the result about what I think about it. But I think the result would be amazing. So let's get started. Hello. Okay guys, while you are watching me preparing the conditioner, there's something I want to tell you. There's one mistake that I made, and that is a big mistake, is that what I'm doing right now, putting everything together, I should have put all of that into a blender to blend it, because now I just grind everything together with a fork and a spoon, and at the end you will see that the avocado was not well blended, and that result of some avocado pieces that were left out in my hair and that I couldn't even wash out very well. So please do not make this mistake. Just put it into a blender, and if the avocado is difficult to blend, just add a little bit of water or some little bit of more oil so that the avocado can blend very well. So please don't make this mistake that I made. Okay guys, I'm back. The avocado conditioner is done, so now it's time for me to apply it on my hair. I already shampooed my hair, and so let's just get started. Okay guys, where should I start? Where do you want me to start? With the good news or the bad news? Let me start with the bad news, because look. Look very closely. It is really bad. It is really bad. Like in the back, on the front, inside, outside, it is everywhere. So that's the bad news, because I washed it 2 times and it's still on here. It is still on my hair. But the good news is my hair is extremely soft. Like my new grow, look at it. You don't even see. Wait, close. Hold up. You see, it's not kinky anymore. It is soft and stretchy. It is so soft, like I could like put my finger in my hair and just feel my hair scalp. Because sometimes when I have a lot of nail growth, I cannot even pass through the line. But with this, I could pass through the line and massaging and shampooing, you know. It is so soft and it didn't tangle. Maybe it tangled a little bit, but then when I like take a comb to comb it, it detangle automatically. Soft, 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 soft. But it didn't really stretch my hair. I mean, it cannot straighten my hair, but my new growth are soft. When it is soft, it became stretchy. So yeah, and what I did, I left it for more than 30 minutes, and after I wash it, I felt like I need to shampoo it. So I will shampoo it with my homemade aloe vera shampoo. And in the aloe vera shampoo there is also avocado oil, so together magnifique. So guys, it is so soft and it smells nice. Yeah, so I am satisfied with the result. Like my hair feels so soft. Like normally after I wash my hair and deep condition my hair feels like frizzy, but look, it's so soft. You cannot feel it, but it feels so soft and I'm so happy. How am I gonna get rid of it? I think maybe when it will dries out, then I can like comb it out. But at this time, at the moment, because I have kinky hair, it is just stuck in my hair and it is everywhere. I swear, it is not something that you can like easily wash out. But yeah, I need to see how I'm gonna deal with that. But yes, I recommend you to use this avocado conditioner, like avocado hair conditioner. It is very good. So guys, I am very satisfied with the result. I think you should try this too, but one avocado like I used was enough for my hair. If you have, because I was focusing only on the new growth, so that's why I only use one big avocado. But if you want to put it on the entire hair, then you need more than one avocado. I think it depends on your hair length. You maybe need 2 or 3 avocado. But yes, it is worth it. It makes your hair soft, and like now I can stretch my hair for another 3 months if I do this. If I do this every month, like every time I unbraid my hair, because I'm going to put my hair in a protective style, like maybe once in a month I can do that, and then my hair will be good to go. So for another month. So yeah, I'm planning to relax my hair in March. But if this is what I like, maybe I will continue like stretching my relaxer for like I don't know when. So I am happy with the result, and I'd advise you to try this, and let me know if you have tried this. And yeah, just let me know what you think about it, if that makes your hair soft and I'm sure it will make your hair soft. So guys, thank you very much for watching. This was my review about the avocado hair conditioner, and I really liked it, so I think you should try this too. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe on my channel if you want to see more of this kind of video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.